Who you calling? Are you calling your boyfriend?
Yeah. Hi, boyfriend. Hi.
Who is your boyfriend?
Mine.
What's your boyfriend's name?
Hi, boyfriend. Bye.
What?
Boyfriend.
What's your boyfriend's name? Do you have a boyfriend at school? Who is it?
Carter.
Carter. What do you do with Carter? What do you do? You don't kiss him, do you?
Yeah, I kiss him.
Huh?
Pitch.
What do you do?
Hello? My boyfriend God bless America. My house later. It's home.
He's at home. What do you do with Carter?
God!
What do you do with Carter? You don't kiss him, do you?